Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the psychology exam? This is Praxis test code 5391. Praxis 5391 is an exam with several subtopics. This problem set includes questions from the category of learning, memory, and cognition, and focuses on how we acquire knowledge, retain information, and process the world around us. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Problem number 1. A student always remembers a specific memory whenever they listen to a certain song, because it reminds them of how they felt when they first heard the song. Which of the following terms describes the song specified in this scenario? Unconditioned response, conditioned stimulus, or unconditioned stimulus. The term unconditioned response is not correct because it refers to a natural and automatic reaction to a stimulus, such as a reflex, which does not apply to the song itself. So let's cross that out. The term conditioned response is also incorrect because it describes the learned reaction elicited by a conditioned stimulus, not the stimulus itself. So let's eliminate that as well. Unconditioned stimulus is incorrect because it refers to a stimulus that naturally and automatically triggers a response without any prior learning, such as food causing salivation. So we can cross that out as well. The correct term for the song in this scenario is conditioned stimulus because it is a previously neutral stimulus that, through association with a specific memory and emotional experience, now triggers a conditioned response in the student whenever they hear it. Therefore, the correct answer is conditioned stimulus. Problem number 2. A child cleans his room without being asked. His mother praises him for his hard work and rewards him with $5, so he regularly cleans his room in the future. This is an example of which of the following types of learning? Insight learning, observational learning, operant conditioning, or classical conditioning. Insight learning is not the correct term because it refers to the sudden realization of a problem solution without the need for trial and error learning. So let's cross that out. Observational learning is also incorrect because it involves learning behaviors by watching and imitating others, which does not describe the child's situation. So we can eliminate that as well. Classical conditioning is incorrect as it involves learning through association between a neutral stimulus and an unconditioned stimulus to elicit a conditioned response, such as Pavlov's dog salivating at the sound of a bell. So let's cross that out as well. The correct type of learning in this scenario is operant conditioning because it involves the child learning to clean his room regularly due to the positive reinforcement, praise, and monetary reward provided by his mother. This reinforcement increases the likelihood of the behavior being repeated in the future. Therefore, operant conditioning is the correct answer. Problem number 3. The manager of a team can effectively persuade their team members to complete a task and can perform and complete multiple tasks within the stipulated time. According to Sternberg's theory of intelligence, which of the following types of intelligence does the employee most likely demonstrate? Theoretical intelligence, analytical intelligence, creative intelligence, or practical intelligence? We can eliminate theoretical intelligence because it is not a recognized type in Sternberg's theory of intelligence. Rather, Sternberg's theory focuses on practical, analytical, and creative intelligences. So let's cross that out. Analytical intelligence is incorrect because it refers to the ability to analyze, evaluate, judge, compare, and contrast, which is more about problem solving and academic tasks than managing and multitasking. So we can eliminate that as well. Creative intelligence is not applicable because it involves the ability to generate new ideas and think outside the box, which is not the primary focus of managing tasks and persuading team members. So let's cross that out as well. The correct type of intelligence, according to Sternberg's theory, is practical intelligence, which involves the ability to handle everyday tasks, manage people effectively, and adapt to changing environments. The manager demonstrates practical intelligence by efficiently persuading team members and successfully managing and completing multiple tasks within the given time frame. Therefore, practical intelligence is the correct answer here. Problem number 4. A student can solve problems of algebraic equations quicker than the other students in the classroom. According to Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences, which of the following types of intelligence will the student be identified with? Verbal linguistic intelligence, logical mathematical intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, or visual spatial intelligence. In this scenario, verbal linguistic intelligence is not the correct term because this refers to the ability to use language effectively, which involves skills like reading, writing, and speaking. So let's cross that out. Interpersonal intelligence is also incorrect because it pertains to the ability to understand and interact effectively with others, involving skills such as empathy and communication. So we can cross that out as well. Visual spatial intelligence is not applicable because it involves the ability to visualize and manipulate objects and spaces in one's mind, which relates more to fields like architecture or art. So let's cross that out. The correct type of intelligence, according to Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences, is logical mathematical intelligence. This type of intelligence involves the ability to analyze problems logically, perform mathematical operations, and investigate issues scientifically. The student demonstrates logical mathematical intelligence by solving algebraic equations more quickly than their peers. Therefore, the correct answer is logical mathematical intelligence. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the content area of learning, memory, and cognition for the Praxis 5391 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel well prepared and well equipped for exam day. Bye for now.